I am so excited to say that today Apron Diva has completed 30 days in business. So I am giving away the prizes from launch week, and I also have a prize for the person who placed the most orders during our first 30 days of business. So let's get it started. The first prize winner from launch week is Lynette Harris from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And Lynette wins a month's supply of True Earth laundry strips. And this True Earth is absolutely amazing. They are clean, they are green, they are simple to use, and it is definitely ecologically safe. And I have been using these for the past 2 months. This is what the laundry strips look like. You tear them in half, drop one in the washer, and you're good to go. So yes, just this little bit will do the tricks, and I absolutely love them. So Lynette, you will love them as well. And this is the fresh linen scent, as well as you will be receiving a wrinkle release spray from the Grove Collaborative. So you're going to have to wash that apron that you ordered, and if you've got anything else that you washed that needs a little bit of wrinkle release, well, this should help you out with that. The second person to win a prize from launch week is Tina Robbins, and she wins this beautiful little Apron Diva coffee mug. And it says on the mug, "Pretty and Practical, Apron Diva" by Denise Jordan. And I love to drink my coffee from white coffee mugs, so this will be perfect for Tina as she drinks her tea or coffee or hot chocolate or whatever she so desires. So Tina Robbins from Bear, Delaware is the second person to win a prize from launch week, and it is this Apron Diva coffee mug. The third person to win a prize from launch week is Tanya Jonikin, and she is also going to win some True Earth laundry detergent. She is going to win the fragrance-free version of that. And as I said earlier, you will absolutely love this True Earth. And as we wrap up 30 days in business, we're also going to give a prize for the person who placed the most orders. And that prize goes to Helena Jackson from Atlanta, Georgia. And Helena is going to win a set of apron notes. And we say that you don't choose the note chooses you. So each person that places an order receives an apron note in their order, and the apron notes are randomly placed in the order. And it is our hope that the note you receive is the perfect note for you. And we want you to feel that you're getting a message from a very dear friend. So let's see what notes Helena is getting in this set. She's got the note that says, "You are the art in the art and science of homemaking." A note that says, "Overwhelmed, focus on one thing at a time." A note that says, "Having a routine reduces the chaos." A clean and clutter-free home can create a peaceful heart. And then homemaking is a work of heart. So Helena has a set of 5 apron notes, and the apron notes are meant to be inspirational and motivational. And it is our hope that you will pop them on your refrigerator or on your bulletin board, in your planner, but somewhere that when you need a little bit of uplifting, you can pull out an apron note and you've got something that can do that. So let me just take this opportunity to thank you so much for your support of Apron Diva Apron Boutique. I am just blown away by all of your kindness. And please come and visit us again. And if you've come once and we were sold out, or you've come once or twice and you didn't see anything that tripped your trigger at that time, we do have some new things in, and we'll be getting some new things in that you just might be interested in for Father's Day. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you're not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out one of my homemaking stories. And I will see you next time.